Good morning, my dear students. Our lesson today is solving equation. Solving equation in Q, we must know that the equation is a mathematical statement which contain one variable as x or more as x and y. The equation contains equality relation, so must have the equal sign. The equation, that sentence, states the two mathematical expressions that they are equal. Let's remember the one-step equation we taken before, just like m plus 9 equals 3. So what is the value of m? If we subtract 9 from both two sides, like m plus 9 minus 9 and 3 minus 9, m will be negative 6. So if we check the answer, if we put negative 6 instead of m, negative 6 plus 9 equal 3. So we are right. If we have another one, 3a equal negative 18. 3a means 3 multiply a. So what is the inverse of multiply in the operation? The inverse is divide. So I will divide both two sides by 3. So a will be negative 6. If I check 3 multiply negative 6 equal negative 18. So if I have f minus 3 equal negative 5. So minus 3, I will get rid of negative 3. How? By putting plus 3 on both two sides. So f will be negative 2. If I have x over negative 5 equal negative 2. Over means divide, and what is the inverse of divide operation is the multiplying operation. So I will multiply the two sides by negative 5. So x will be 10. Again, we have two steps equation. Two steps equation. It takes 2 steps to solve an equation that has more than one operation. Simplify by using the addition or subtraction property of equality. Use the inverse of addition or subtraction as we said before. Simplify further by using the multiplication or division property of equality. Use the inverse of multiplication or division. Let's have examples that find the solution set of the following equations in Z. Like 3y minus 6 equal 9. Y is the variable. So I will add 6 to each side to isolate the variable. So it will be 3y equal 15. So now divide both sides by 3. Then the answer is 5. So the solution set equal 5. Let's solve booklet page 15. In this example, 8x plus 4 equal 12. And x belong to Q. We will add negative 4 both two sides. Then we get 8x equal 8. Divide by 8 to both two sides. Then we get x equal 1. And 1 is belong to Q. So the solution set equal the set of 1, and this is subset to Q. Now we have another example in page 16 in your booklet. Complete if x minus 9 equal 1, then the value of 5x equal. So I have to get x at the first. So x equal 1 plus 9. So x equal 10. 5x means 5 multiplied by 10 equal 50. Next question, if 3b minus 1 equal 14, then the value of half b. So we have to get b at the first. So 3b equal 15 plus 1, 3b equal 15. Then b equal 15 divided by 3 equal 5. Then half b means half multiply b. It will be half multiply 5 equal 2.5. The next one, if 3n equal negative 12, then the value of 6n equal what? Now, as we know before, that 3n means multiply, 3 multiply n. So what is the inverse of multiplication? It's division. So we will divide by 3 on both two sides. Then negative 12 divided by 3 equal negative 4. So 6n means 6 multiply n. 6 multiply negative 4 equal negative 24. Now we have application on solving equation on booklet page 17. Find the length of each side of triangle whose parameter 32. Its sides are 2m, m, and m plus 7. We know that parameter means the sum of the three sides of the triangle. Therefore, 2m plus m plus 7 equal 32. So we have to make plus. 2m plus m equal 4m plus 7 equal 32. We have an equation now. As we say before, I must isolate m. How? I must do two steps. First, I must get rid of 7. What is the opposite of positive 7? Negative 7. So I will put negative 7 on both two sides. So 4m equal 32 minus 7 equal 25. So we have now 4m equal 25. So I want m alone. So I will get rid of 4. So I will divide 4 on both two sides. So 25 divided 4 equals 6.25. So the first side is 2m. So it will be 2 multiply 6.25 equal 12.5. The second side is m. So it will be 6.25. Third side equal m plus 7. So 6.25 plus 7 equal 13.25. So if I check those sides added by each other, I will get 32. It's the parameter. So I'm right. Second question, two complementary angles. Their measure are x degree and 2x minus 15 degree. Find the measure of each angle. How can I solve this? At the first, I must remember that the complementary angles means their sum is 90 degree. So if I add x plus 2x minus 15, it will be 90. So simplify, x plus 2x will be 3x. Minus 15 equal 90. So as we know before, I will put plus 15. So 3x equal 90 plus 15 equal 105. So x equal 105 divided by 3. So x will be 35 degree. So the first angle is 35 degree. The second angle 2 multiply 35 minus 15 equal 55 degree. So if I check 35 plus 55 equal